Today I will show you how to open the avatar editor on Roblox using Safari. First, open the Safari browser on your iPhone or iPad. In the address bar, type roblox.com and go to the website. When the Roblox homepage appears, log in with your account. Once you are logged in, look at the top left corner of the page. Tap the three-line menu icon. From the list of options, select Avatar. At first, the page will open in the mobile view. It might show a message asking you to open the Roblox app. Ignore that for now. At the bottom of your Safari window, you will see another set of three lines or the share icon. Tap it, then choose the option that says Desktop Site. Tap on it. Now, the page will reload and you will see the desktop version of Roblox. On the right side of the screen, you will see the avatar editor. Here, you can customize your avatar. You can change clothes, accessories, and body parts. When you are done making your changes, tap the Save button or wait for Roblox to save automatically. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.